Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we started new one, divisibility and rules of divisibility. A divides B, B is a multiple, A is a factor. A divides B, B is a multiple while A is a factor for this given one. And some divisibility rules we discussed. Divisibility rule of 2, 5, 10 based on units digit, and 3, 9 based on sum of digits. Here 4, 8, 16 like these numbers with the help of formation of numbers. Number formed the last two digits mean it is divisible by 4. If the number formed by last 3 digits is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. If the number formed by last 4 digits, like this are given, it is divisible by 16. Okay, these things we discussed in yesterday's class. In addition to that, 11 also we completed. The difference of sum of even place digit and odd place digit is divisible by 11. The number is divisible by 11. Okay, these divisibility rules we discussed with proofs. In this class, divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility by 7. Here we have the number formed by last digit, means subtract 2 times last digit from the truncated number. Okay, subtract 2 times the last digit from the truncated number. Truncated number means, for example, here 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. Here, if you remove the last digit, here the formation of number by remaining digits is called truncated number. So, if you subtract 2 times the last digit, here repeat the process if necessary. Repeat the process necessary. Okay, if the number is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, here subtract 2 times the last digit from the truncated number. Repeat the process necessary. Repeat this process as necessary. If the number is divisible by 7, what is the number? Truncated number. Truncated number is divisible by 7, then the number is divisible by 7. Okay, once after this one, I'll give an example for you. Example. Okay, here 94,000, so 9,45,000 and 133, 945,133, a number is given. So, check whether the given number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, we need to check the given number is divisible by 7 or not. with the help of divisible rule of 7. What is the divisible rule of 7? We need to subtract the twice of the last number. Mean what is the last number here? Observe the last digit 3. We need to subtract twice the last digit from the truncated number. What is the truncated one here? Here 9, 4, 5, 1, 3. Now we need to subtract 2 times of 3, that is 6. Subtract. Here 13 minus 6, 7. Here 5, 4, 9. Okay. Again, what the units here? 7. From the remaining, we need to subtract the twice of the last digit. Here, twice of the last digit is 14. We need to subtract from the given one. Now, here 6, here 3, here 4, here 9. Again, last digit 6. Okay, again, last digit 6. Now, we need to subtract twice of the 6, that is 12. Here 1, 3, here 9. Again, subtract the twice of the number from the remaining one. Again, subtract twice of 1, that is 2. 7. We know 7 is divisible by 7. Therefore, given number 94513 is also divisible by 7. We gave 94513. We need to subtract the twice of last digit from the truncated number. Here the truncated number is 94513. Here 94513 minus 2 times of 3 is 6. We got the 94507. Repeat this process if necessary. We gave. So here we don't know 94507 is divisible by 7 or not. That's why again last digit is 7. Subtract twice of the last digit is subtracted from the truncated one. Here truncated one is 9450. So subtract 14 from this one. We got 9436. Again we don't know it is divisible by 7 or not. That's why again twice of last digit is 12. Subtract from the truncated one, that is 943. Again we don't know 931 is divisible by 7 or not. So here last digit is 1, twice of last digit is 2. So 93 minus 2, 91. If you know 91 is divisible by 7, here we can say that the given number is divisible by 7. Okay, 13 sevens are 91. If you know me, stop here. Otherwise, again twice of the last digit. That is 2. Subtract from 9. You got 7. So now 7 is divisible by 7. So the given number 94513 is also divisible by 7. Is also divisible by 7. If you want another example. Must see here 6393961. So here the last digit is 1. Subtract 2 times from the truncated one. So here 4, 9, 3, here 9, 7. Now twice of 4 is 8. 63931. Again twice of 1, 2. So 63, here 9, 1. Now twice of 1, 2, means 637. Now twice of 7, 14. Here 9, here 4. So 49 is divisible by 7. So here the given number 6393961 is also divisible by 7. is also divisible by 7. In this way, we can write the divisible rule for 7. Divisible rule for 7. Here, what is the proof? Okay, for example, divisible rule for 7. Let us consider the 4-digit number. 4-digit number ABC. If you subtract 2 times of the last digit, ABC minus 7, minus 2D, it's a 7 multiple. Okay, now only we discuss it. If ABCD is a 4-digit number, last digit D, twice of last digit subtract from the truncated number. Here truncated number is ABC. Last digit is D. 2 times of D subtracted from ABC, then it is a multiple of 7. So here ABC equal to multiple of 7 plus 2D. Okay, that is first equation. Now ABCD expand. The expansion of ABCD is 1000. Here ones place tens, hundreds, thousands. That's why 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. Okay. Next. Read here. If you take 10 common, here 100A plus 10B plus C into D. Now 10 into 100A plus 10B plus C is nothing but ABC. Expand ABC, what you will get? If you expand ABC, you will get 100A plus 10B plus C. So you can write 100A plus 10B plus C as ABC. So 10 into ABC plus D. Now 10 into, what is equal to ABC? From 1, 7M plus 2D plus D. Now we continue here. 10 into 7. So multiple of 7 only. Now 10 into 2D, 20D plus D. Okay. Now 7 plus 21D. Now 21 is also multiple of D only. Here this one also multiple. So in total the number is divisible by 7. Number is divisible by 7. Once after this one, here we need to prove ABCD is divisible by 7 if and only if the twice of the last digit is subtracted from the truncated number is divisible by 7. Now only I said when the number is divisible by 7, twice of the last digit is subtracted from the truncated number, the formed number is divisible by 7, the given number is divisible by 7. Here ABCD means twice of D minus ABC means ABC minus 2D equal to multiple of 7. Here M means multiple, 7 multiple. So here ABC equal to minus 2D becomes plus 2D. Multiple of 7 plus 2D. Okay, don't consider M as a variable. M is multiple, 7 multiple. Now expanded form of ABCD is 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D. So if you take 10 from the first 3 numbers, then you will get 100A plus 10B plus C. Already we know expanded form of ABC is 100A plus 10B plus C. So instead of 100A plus 10B plus C, I wrote ABC plus D. Now 10 into ABC mean from 1, 7M plus 2D, multiple of 7 plus 2D. Here multiple of 7 is given. If you multiply with any number, it is also multiple of 7 only. So here 7 multiple. Okay, I did not forget that one. 7 into 10 is 70, but you wrote only 7, not like that. It is a multiple of 7 means if a number is multiplied by anything, it is also multiple of 7 only. That only I wrote here. Next, here 10 into 2d, 20d. 20d plus d, 21d. So 21 also multiple of 7 only. Already I explained at the time of rules, divisibility. First only I said A divides B, A divides C, then A divides B plus C. So here A divides first, 7 divides first one, 7 divides second one. So 7 divides the total number. 7 divides the total number. What is the total number here? ABC. So ABC minus 2D is a multiple of 7. ABCD is also a multiple of 7. In this way, we can prove this condition. Okay, that's why I explain with an example first. Direct proof means you did not get anything. That's why I explained example first of all, then I gave proof. Next, divisible rule by 13. Divisibility by 13. Add 4 times the last digit to the truncated number. Repeat as necessary. If the number is divisible by 13, the given number is also divisible by 13. Is also divisible by 13. For the 7, subtract 2 times the last digit. For the 13, add 4 times the last digit. The remaining process is same. There, subtraction of twice the last digit. Now, addition of 4 times the last digit. That is only difference. The remaining process is same. Remaining process is same. Now, I will explain an example. Now, 783146. A 6-digit number is given. 6-digit number is given. Check whether the given number is divisible by 13 or not. We need to check the given number is divisible by 13 or not. For checking of this number, first of all, we need to identify its last digit. That is 6. 4 times of 6 is 24. Add to the remaining truncated number. Here 4 plus 4 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3, here 8 7. Repeat this process if necessary, they said. So 4 times of 8 is 32. We need to add. So 5, 6, 8, 7. Again 4 times of 5 is 20. 6, 8. Again 4 times of 6 is 24. Here 104. If you know 104 is divisible by 13, then we can say that the regular number is divisible by 13. Otherwise, again 4 times of 4 is 16. If you add 10 plus 16, 26 will be. So 26 is divisible by 13. Therefore, 7, 8, 3, 1, 4, 6 is also divisible by 13. Is also divisible by 13. So, divisible rule of 13 is this one. Add 4 times the last digit to the truncated number. Repeat this process if necessary. If the last digit is if the formed number is divisible by 13, then the given number is also divisible by 13. Okay, proof for this one. Proof. Okay, here consider A, B, C, D, E, the 5-digit number. Consider 5-digit number A, B, C, D, E. Here 4 times of the last digit. Okay, is a multiple of 13. Then A, B, C, D, E is also a multiple of 13. You need to check that one. So here A, B, C, D equal to 13m minus 4e. Here 13 multiple. 13 multiple. Now expanded form of A, B, C, D, E is 10,000 A plus 1000 B plus 100 C plus 10 D plus E. If you take 10 common, here 1000 A, 100 B, 10 C plus D plus E. Here expanded form of A, B, C, D is 1000 A plus 100 B plus 10 C plus D. So instead of this one, we can write the ABC plus E. Now 10 into here A, B, C, D means 13m minus 4a plus E. Now 10 into 13 minus 40e plus E. Here the first one is multiple of 13. Here minus 40 plus 1 minus 39. So is also multiple of 13 only. So 13 of something. So it's a multiple of 13. That's why A, B, C, D, E is also divisible by 13. If and only if A, B, C, D plus 4e is a multiple of 13. Okay, divisible rule of 13 is add the 4 times of last digit to the truncated number. Repeat the process as necessary. If the formed number is divisible by 13, then the given number is also divisible by 13. Here A, B, C, D, E is a 5-digit number. If A, B, C, D plus 4e is a multiple of 13, then A, B, C, D, E is also a multiple of 13. Next, divisible rule by 17. The next prime number is 17. Here, subtract 5 times last digit from the truncated number Okay, subtract 5 times the last digit from the given number. Repeat this process. Repeat as necessary. If the number is divisible by 17, then the number is also divisible by 70. The last divided total. Here subtract 5 times the last digit. Okay. Before for 13 add 4 times the last digit. Now subtract 5 times the last digit. Okay, here an example. Okay, 682278. Okay, subtract 2278. Now 682278. Subtract 5 times. Here 8 5s 40. I need to subtract. Here 7 8 1 6. Again 5 times of 7 is 35. We need to subtract. Again 5 times. Again subtract 5 times. 15. Now the number 51. We know 51 is divisible by 17. Therefore, the given number 682278 is also divisible by 7. The number is divisible by 17. Okay, subtract 5 times the last digit. Here last digit is 8. Here last digit is 7. 5 times also 35. 3, 15. Here 3, again 15. 51. The last conjugated one is 51. Now 51 is equal to 7. That's why the given number 682278 is also divisible by 70. Okay, proof. A, B, C, D, E is a 5-digit number. If A, B, C, D minus 5E is a multiple of 17, A, B, C, D equal to multiple of 17 plus 5E. Now expand this one. A, B, C, D, E. So 10,000 A plus 1000 B plus 100 C plus 10 D plus E. If you take 10 common here 1000 A plus 100 B plus 10 C plus D plus C. From 1 here onwards A, B, C, D plus C 10 into A, B, C, D means 17 multiple E plus 5E plus C. So here 17 multiple plus 50E plus C. Here multiple of 17 again 51E multiple of 17 only. If the first part is divisible by 7, second part is divisible by 7, the total number is also divisible by 7. So here for the number ABCDE, if ABCD minus 5E is divisible by 17, the number ABCDE is also divisible by 17. Okay, if the number ABCD minus 5E is divisible by 17, then the number ABCDE is also divisible by 17. In this way, we can prove the given condition. Okay, next. Divisibility by 19. Divisibility by 19. Here, add 2 times the last digit to the truncated number. Repeat as necessary. If the formed number is divisible by 19, then the number is also divisible by 19 only. Here add 2 times the last digit. The remaining process is same. Already we completed for 3 numbers. For 7, for 11, for 7, for 13, for 19 and for 17 also completed. Now we are checking for 19. Add 2 times the last digit to the truncated number. Repeat as necessary. If the number formed truncated is divisible by 19, then the number is also divisible by 19 only. Okay, we will check with the help of an example. Here, the example is 1, 1, 3, 4, 3. 1, 1, 3, 4, 3. Here, last digit is 3. Twice of 3 is 6. Now we need to add. Here 10 means 40. Here 1, 1. 0 means leave it. Okay. 1, 1, 4. Here 4 times of 8 is 4 is 8. If you add 11 plus 8, you will get 19. So 19 is divisible by 19. So 1, 1, 3, 4, 3 is also divisible by 19. Is also divisible by 19. In this way, we can check the divisible rule for 19. So, example or proof. Already example we completed. Now proof. Proof for this one. Okay. For the 19 we are checking. ABCDE. ABCD is a 5-digit number. If ABCD plus 2E is divisible by 19, then the number ABCDE is also divisible by 19. Here ABCD equal to multiple of 19 minus 2E, that is first equation. If you expand ABCDE, you will get 10,000A plus 1000B plus 100C plus 10D plus E. If you take 10 common, 1000A plus 100B plus 10C plus D plus E. Here 10 into here ABCD. ABCD plus E. Here the help of first equation we have multiple of 19 minus 2E plus E. Here the first one is multiple of 19 minus 10 2s 20 plus E. So first one is multiple of 19. Here minus 19E is also multiple of 19 only. For the given number, first part is divisible by 19, second part is divisible by 19. The total number is also divisible by 19. Okay. This is the proof for the divisible rule for 19. Okay, once check these results. Okay. Next, I will write all the numbers. Okay. Here divisible rules for 7, for 13, For 17, for 19 we wrote. For 7, for 13, for 17, for 19 we checked remaining tomorrow's class. For this one, A, B, C, D, E is a number mean. A, B, C, D minus 2E is divisible by 7 and the number is divisible by 7. Here A, B, C, D plus 4E is divisible by 13, then it is divisible by 13. Here A, B, C, D minus 5E is divisible by 17, the number is divisible by 17. For the last one, A, B, C, D plus 2E is divisible by 19, the number is divisible by 19. Okay, for 7, subtract 2 times the last digit from the truncated one. Add the 4 times the last digit for the truncated one. Subtract the 5 times the last digit for the truncated one. Add 2 times the last digit for the truncated one. These are the forms for divisible rule for 7, 13, 17 and 19. Primes we check. Okay, in tomorrow's class we will continue remaining divisible rules. Have a nice day.